Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Red Fox. If you want to fix your skin, treat your skin, or do makeup that is all for your skin type and for your features, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any gems that I might drop into your lap that could be a huge game changer in your beauty routine. You're welcome. And today is a treat. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do my personal favorite, my reset mask. I swear to you guys, this has made a huge difference in my skin, especially because of what I do for a living. I have seen serious change in my skin for the better. Let me explain to you why I call it a reset mask and what I do. I'm an actress and I model as well. So, with those two things comes a lot of abuse on your skin, both from the makeup and the environment. The makeup dries out my skin, can cause fine lines and make your skin look really dull. This mask is going to restore the glow back into your skin, and it's going to diminish any unnecessary fine lines that occurs from that abuse. And then it clears out your pores from the environmental abuse, which comes from the hot lights or being outside. And it not only clears out your pores, but it stops your sebum production, which is what causes your acne flare-ups. It stops it, clears it out, and then it repairs your skin. So not only does it clear, but it causes your skin to repair a little bit faster, which is a huge benefit for people that get any kind of pigmentation issues with the acne. So this mask, brings that inflammation down and restores that glow, and your pores are nice and clear. So you're going to love this mask. It is so simple to make. It's 3 ingredients. 3 cheap ingredients, better yet. So let's get this tutorial / educational video going for you guys. So I'm going to put my little headband on, tie my hair up, and get this tutorial going for you guys. Ta-da! Cute. Alright, so as I said, 3 ingredients and 3 affordable ingredients that you just may be having around the house right now, which is really convenient. So we're going to start off with the base. The base is what we have the most of, and this is going to be a teaspoon. Listen, teaspoon, not tablespoon. Okay? And that's going to be of honey. And please guys, do organic if you can. You don't want any kind of extra weird shit on your face. So yeah, we want organic honey. Why? Because this is something that restores the moisture back into your skin, in your barrier, balances out your skin, and also kills that bacteria in your skin that causes the sebum production, which causes your acne flare-ups. I know, hard to believe because it's sticky and sweet, but yeah, this is somebody that has acne problems. This is a really great ingredient to put into your face masks. So this is the base, a teaspoon of preferably organic honey. Then we have half a teaspoon of lemon juice. So if you don't have concentrate where you can put in and measure exactly, half of a teaspoon, not tablespoon. If you have a small lemon, it'll be half of the lemon. But if you have a decent sized lemon like this one, it'll be 1/4 of it. So, cut it like that and then take one of the 4th pieces and squeeze it. And then you should have half of a teaspoon. Then we have another half a teaspoon, not tablespoon, of baking soda. And the reason that we want the lemon is because the lemon kills a lot of weird bacteria that's on your face, and it also lightens up any kind of pigmentation issues in your skin. And then we got, of course, the baking soda. This is what clears out your pores. So this is a great ingredient to even add to your cleansers at home when you have really caked on a lot of makeup and you thinking to yourself, simply cleansing it is not getting off all that stuff. So this is a great ingredient to add to it. Just don't do it too much. Nothing is good in excess. So once in a while, this will be great to add to your cleanser. So those are the 3 ingredients. So I'm betting about 99.9% of you guys have these ingredients in your home right now. So the good news is they are very easily blendable. It's not difficult blendable things. So just put them all together and blend it. Now, I personally like to use a brush, a makeup brush that you put foundation on to do it. I reserve them specifically for facials. I buy one just to do facials and I just clean it. But if you don't have that and you don't want to use that, I have two other options for you guys. You can make sure your hands are very clean and you can use your hands. Your hands are your best tools a lot of the time, makeup and facial reasons. And if you don't want to use your fingers, if you take a large spoon or a medium-sized spoon and you use the back of it, make sure it's a very clean spoon. If you need to, I'll put some alcohol wipe it or whatever the case might be if it's questionably not clean, or just put it in some boiling water to clean and to make sure that it's a very clean spoon. And you can use the back of the spoon to spread it around your face. A little hack for you guys. So let's get this going. I'm going to use you guys as my little mirror. Let's get close up and personal, guys. So, and what we're going to do is you're going to leave this on for 15 minutes. And this is a mask, guys, that you want to do before you shower because it has honey in it and it is sticky. Oh, look at that beautiful glow already, guys. And I just started. Make sure you get it into the creases. And when you guys put this on, especially here, try to go in upwards motion because you don't want to pull your skin down. You don't want to help gravity, you want to fight gravity. So, oh, and it smells so nice. And don't worry about getting it on your lips or whatever the case might be because it's yummy or edible. You can't taste the baking soda, so relax, guys. And it should apply very easily. And this is very storable up to like as long as you want because the lemon doesn't perish and the honey doesn't perish. So it's something you can store if you have excess amount left. I would say a good month. But you guys should be able to use it again. Beautiful glow. So I'll return in 15 minutes and wash it off and you will see this glow that's occurring right now on your screen is going to continue. Be right back. 15 minutes. I'm back. Face is washed. As you can see, I've got this beautiful glow. My skin feels so clean. And I have a tip for you guys. When you wash it off, warm water in the beginning and it comes off very easily. Okay, so don't worry. Even if it's honey, it comes off quite easily because of the ingredients you're mixing with it. And then after that you use a gentle cleanser, not a harsh cleanser, okay, because you don't want to strip the nutrients that the mask is giving you. And then wash it off with cold water to seal it all in, and you're going to love it. And you're going to feel, as you're rubbing in the water into your skin with the cleanser, you're going to feel kind of like a rough texture, and that is the baking soda, so it's exfoliating your skin at the same time, so you're removing some dead skin cells with all that dirt that's dripping out of your pores. So your skin is going to feel reset. As I said, my reset mask. So I hope you guys try it and like it, and if you have any questions, just comment below. If there's any other masks you want me to review, or to tell or to let you guys know if it's going to be a bad mask or not, and actually substitute things to make the mask work. How did you guys like this mask? If you tried it, how did it feel? Just comment below, let me know, give me some feedback, guys. I really want to know how this mask is and what else I can do for you guys that can be really helpful to what you guys want. So thumbs up this video, and remember to click on that subscribe button if you want some more tips, reviews, and tutorials on everything that is beauty. Thank you guys so much. This is your girl, Miss Red Fox, and if you want to check out my social media, just go on my homepage and check in the bottom of the description. There's a couple of links for you guys. Thank you. Mwah.